Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram login error in laptop. To know how to fix Instagram login error in laptop, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here like this. Then in this page you will go to force stop, and after that you will enter to storage here. When you will find this page, you will go to clear cache, then you will click clear data, and you can update your application so that you can know how to fix Instagram login error in laptop. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.